there, and there. I think that's everything I need. Let's see. Black market. Hellcat, unarmed, orca. The Hellcat's cheaper. Let's see. Has a little less fuel.
Oh, we can't get the other one here. We have to go to the regular.
Oh. Well, rip. Then we'll just have to go make another stop. Yeah. Alright, so Hellcat it is. I'm officially under $100,000 by 500. Alright, Rebel Green or Rebel Digital? I think Digital.
Yeah, go. I don't know. I'll go with Green. Everybody's got Rebel Digital. Oh, that looks badass.
Oh, that's so dope. Oh, oh that's great. Alright, hold on. Oh wait, whoops, wrong one. Oh wait, no, not wrong one. Where am I? Oh, I'm back here, okay. Can I not shoot out of here? No, I can't. Alright. Whatever. This thing's pretty dope looking. Are you as pilot?
I was.
Take controls. Alright, are you in?
Yeah.
Yep. This thing has a searchlight.
No way.
Searchlight on.
Hell yeah.
Oh, the searchlight is on its nose. What? The searchlight is on its nose.
Oh shit, it's dark on here sometimes.
What the heck is going on? What?
What's going on?
Like, my point of view is freaking out.
I think there's multiple vehicles in there.
What?
I see several, or I see 2 cars.
So, do we wait?
I don't know if the other one is.
Wait, one of them's leaving?
Yeah.
Oh!
One of the cars is not like an actual car, it's like one of the broken down ones.
Where's the leaving one?
To the right. The red on he's coming back. Just drop me off. Watching the sky and see if anybody comes.
I can't tell if it's flat here or not. Nope.
Stay in the chopper.
Hold on, no, I need to get out and switch to pilot. Oh my god!
What the fuck? What the hell just happened? Dude, what happened?
I just VDM'd.